Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Computer Skills, and today we are going to see the part 2 of the last video. So this is the continuation, and in the last video we see the basic shortcuts, 15 basic shortcuts in Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, and in this video we will see the shortcut for text, how we can minimize our time in texting and all the things in that. So today I will show you the text shortcuts. So this is the part 2. So please watch this video complete because today the shortcuts I am going to show you must be not knowing them, and there will be some surprising shortcuts for you which you must be knowing for the very first time. So please watch this video completely. So let us start with our first shortcut key. Before that, let me tell you that if you have not watched my part 1 video, then please watch it. That is basic shortcuts. I will give you link in the description and also in the I button. Now let us start. So the first one is select text. So here now I will type anything. Okay, so usually what we do, we will select the text like this way. Sometimes we misplay one word, it happens. So instead, now what I will do, I will press 2 times, that is I will double click on this word and see the complete word is got selected. Now let me text something big. Okay, let me take India is my country. India is my country. So this is one sentence. If I have to select India, then I will press here 2 times with my mouse and this gets selected. And suppose I have to select this complete sentence, I will click 3 times on any word. See, let me show you again, 1, 2 and 3, and see everything got selected. So this is the trick which you can use. So the second shortcut is bold text. The shortcut is Control plus B. Let us see that. Okay. So let us take this sentence only. India is my country. Now I will select this word and then I will press Control plus B to make it bold. See, Control plus B and it gets bold. If I have to continue a line further, then I will usually press only Control plus B, and whatever I will write, it will be in bold. So this is the shortcut for bold. The third one is italic text, and its shortcut is Control plus I. It will make your text italic. So let us see. So again that sentence, India is my country. Now this time I will select country and I will press Control plus I and see the word country has changed its font to italic. So this is the beautiful effect you can make in a sentence. Fourth one is underline text. The shortcut key is Control plus U. Let us see that. Now I have selected the complete sentence and now I will press Control plus U to make it underline and see the text has been underlined. So we have learned these three: how to make bold, then how to make italic, and how to underline a sentence or any word. Let us move further. So the fifth one is increase font size. Let us see, we will now see fifth and sixth simultaneously. So the first is increase font size. So the shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus greater than sign, and for decrease font size the shortcut key is Control plus Shift plus smaller than sign. Let us see this. Now we will take this sentence. Suppose I have to increase its size, then I will press Control plus Shift plus greater than sign, and you can see the font is increasing as I press this shortcut key. And also if I have to decrease it, then I will press Control plus Shift plus smaller than size, so it will be decreased. So the seventh shortcut key is to clear text, which is the important one. Remember the shortcuts, it is Control plus backspace. Let us see how it works. So suppose I have written any word, for example fail. So the spelling is FAIL, and I have mistakenly wrote it FEIL. So now I have to uh, clear the whole text. Then instead of pressing backspace, I will press Ctrl plus backspace and the whole word get erased. This is the shortcut key to erase the whole word. So the eighth one is copy formatting value. This is the most important shortcut in Microsoft PowerPoint, and in our today's video we will learn how to use this. You will also use this while making your presentation because it will make your time consumption very low. So we will see the both 8 copy formatting value and 9 pasting formatting value. So for copy formatting value, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus C, and for pasting formatting value, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus Shift plus V. The only change is in this C and V. So now let us see. I have wrote some word. Let us take success. Now I will highlight it. Success, okay. I will change its color to this blue, and also I will make it bold. Okay. So now what I will do now here, in click to add subtitle, I will text some anything, whatever you want to write, and now I have to give the same font color, and also I have to highlight this to here. So at a usual, you will select this first, and you will highlight it, then you will give the color blue, then you will make it bold. So this will increase your time. Instead what I will do, I will select this word only, then I will press Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Okay, listen carefully. What I press Ctrl plus Shift plus C. Now I will again select this and again press Ctrl plus Shift plus V, and see miracle. The same values of this word success are seen here. So this shortcut key is not only applied to this text but also to these shapes also. Then I am sure you will use it. So let us move further. So the 10th one is align. We will see the 3: align center, align left, and align right. These 3 simultaneously. So for align center, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus E. For align left, shortcut key is Ctrl plus L, and for align right is the Ctrl plus R. So let us see. So now here click to add title. I will text anything. Let me text your computer skills. Okay, computer skills. Now suppose I have to align this at left. So what I will do, I will press Ctrl plus L, and see it has got align at left, and if I have to align that in right, so I will press Ctrl plus R, and you can see this is align at right. And if I have to align that in middle, so I will press Ctrl plus E, and see. Now in usual what we do, we have to click here again and again. So instead of that, you can press this key easily. Thank you for watching my video. If you didn't understand something, please comment that below. I will solve your problem.